Yeah, if you want to be happy, work here with us. Oh, my name is Adele and I'm doing assembly for the automotive parts.
My name is Willy. I work for Continental and I'm in the inspection.
I work here for 16 years already, and I like working here because this is, I think, a great company. They have a great future. We work here like family, you know. That's why it's 16 years already.
Actually, I work here almost 9 years for this month, almost 9 years. I like work here because the people we work together, they're all very nice people and good benefit, and this company sustainable future. Yeah, everybody need our part.
Mostly we work as a team, you know, like 2 people, 3 people. Team like looks like have a trouble or so we help each other. So we want to achieve the target, you know.
And we work here like teamwork. Yeah, everybody, the worker, the group leader, the supervisor, they always come to help. Any problem we ask, they always try to solve the problem.
Yeah, I'm very proud to work here, you know. I'm too proud for what I'm doing, and then for this company, yeah, I'm very proud.
I like the Henry Ford say, doing something right even nobody looking. We reach the target, they always say, hey guys, you guys doing good job.
That
means a lot for us, you know. They appreciate what we do. Yeah. Not always you have to give me a gift or something like that. Even say thank you, you know, be happy. Yeah. Work here mean a lot for me. Yeah, the family too is good for us because you know, we have a good. They pay the rate is what's good here. Yeah, and I would like to invite everybody come here.
I invite some of my friends coming here because this is great company. They have good benefit. I always tell them they have good benefit and then good PTO time. Compared to other company that I heard that, you know, in here it's better.
Sometimes I tell them, hey, look at me. I can send my 2 daughters to private school, and now my 2 daughters went to college and university. So look at me, follow me. Continental provide everything for us, and I hope I will retire in this company. I hope.